Hey, what's going on, guys? Union Pacific Omaha here. Now, sorry if the video is a little shaky. I'm trying to do this all handheld today on my phone. So we're going to be doing a layout update, major layout update, and some new rolling stock. So I had this old flat car. I never really used it. It's not really a flat car. It's supposed to be holding a trailer, but, you know, they don't really do that anymore these days. It's just spine cars or a couple of individual ones, but they don't look like this anymore. So I turned it into a wheel holding car. As you can see, I just used super glue, and this is like the stuff on the side to hold it in place is old piece of road I chopped up and just glued it. It doesn't look the best, but it gets the job done. So happy with this. Inspired by Owen the train man. He made one. I'm like, you know what? I have a bunch of old axles. Let's just do that. Then these two I got at Randy's Roundhouse a while ago, but I haven't made a video about them. This is a Walther's Mainline Canadian Pacific hopper. Pretty basic, but it's a nice hopper. It rolls well, stuff like that. And then I got a TTX center beam, so another Walther's Mainline car. Good to have these in the fleet. So, alright, I'm just not going to cut the clip or anything. Into here we go. And as you can see right away, there are some big changes. First of all, things look much different. Over here, we have the... Sorry for my mom yelling. She's watching, I think the Buccaneers and the Rams game, and yeah, she gets very excited. Anyway, here we have the farm has stayed the same. This is just now a grain yard for the grain elevator, and then this is going to be my short line. As you can see here, we have the... This is going to be the yard office. We got a little signal maintainer place back here. And I put up some trees here as well. Got a truck and some other vehicles here. And this is where the road begins. Yes, I finally painted roads. Does it look the best? Absolutely not. It looks really like shit in some spots. Like this. Look at all these from little holes from trees and other stuff. Yeah, not the best. But it gets the job done. And look, it's not even like... I didn't even get it right because I was too lazy and wasn't taking my time with the masking tape. I found one of these old steamers in a box of old trains. So this is just going to be like a museum piece for the train station here. We'll get to stuff back there in a minute. So we have the main line goes in here, and then it goes into like street running. Ever since I visited Owen's layout, I really liked the street running he had. So I decided to just finalize things and start painting roads and stuff like that. So I painted roads. We got some buildings here, and those buildings over there. We got a nice little park here with a Civil War memorial. We got a little my RCPE SD40 here, which that over there is going to be in the RCPE yard. Besides like roads and the configuration with the tracks through town here. Nothing else has changed. I will get some detail in between this little brown spot here that needs to go here. If the roads look a little odd, it's because over here, this is going, I don't know if my layout is directional, like this is east, this is west, I haven't figured that out. But this over here is going that way, this here is going that way. And then these are the railroads crossings. I have intersections where you can go straight across and through. Then we have a little store here. This is the parking lot, and then this is like apartments. Another intersection here and one here. So, in town there's let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 crossings. One here, here, and there. So, let's move to the back of the layout to take a look at the changes back here. Obviously a big one. No more yard. It was kind of just, it became like I became lazy with filming operating sessions, and I didn't want to do yard action really anymore. So I just said, let's get rid of it, because it's taking up a lot of space, and I can do some other stuff with it. So that's what I decided to do. The road is painting ends here, because I'm going to have just a gravel road here. We still have some vehicles back here that I need to move. And there's open space here. I will put something here. Eventually, possibly another industry. But we have the main line, and we just have a siding now. So here we have, this is like a distribution facility that loads box cars. You usually get 2 or 3 at a time. Usually lumber products get loaded in here. So they can take center beams or box cars. So we got a little forklift here. And some other wooden products over here. Sorry again for the yelling. So here's the siding. Yeah, still, I'm trying to cover the noise, so sorry about that. We got the siding here, and then this is like I don't know, some sort of like ethanol plant or something like that. I know it doesn't look like a real ethanol plant, but something to do with tank cars. So they usually take like 1 or 2 at a time. So we got that here, and yeah. So that's that. Really hope you guys enjoyed the new stuff and update. So thank you for watching. Union Pacific Omaha out.